Hi guys, it's me, Jaswal, and few of my brother and sister requested me to unbox OnePlus Nord series. So today I'm going to unbox OnePlus Nord 2 5G. So let's see what we get on this phone and why everyone is talking about OnePlus Nord 2 5G. So let's start it. So guys, let's unbox it. So here we got the phone, and here is the in-display fingerprint. Gonna be on display. For security, you won't get on site. It will be on display, and here you get OnePlus logo. And when you unbox, when you open it, you get a case. So in here we get a sticker of OnePlus Nord and OnePlus Nord branding, its logo, and here we get a smile. It looks like a smile. Here 2 eyes, and here a mouth. We get a SIM ejector pin, and here we get some user manuals. Okay, there. Wow, look at this, guys. Too much. And here you get some, like, it's look like a ATM card or something. So here you get many things, and here let's keep aside. And here you get a cable, charging cable. So it's come with red color, and here it's type C. And here you get a big charger that is 65 watt. So 65 watt adapter you get, and here OnePlus logo again here. So it's big, quite big. So let's look to our phone. So it was little bit a mess, so I cleaned it up, and let's have a look to our phone. So here our phone is, and it comes with like three camera setup, looking very unique, guys. Look at this. Wow. Let's put our case, and let's see that cover can protect our phone. So yeah, I think yes, we can. So you don't need to be worried about the camera bump. Here we get OnePlus again logo, and here OnePlus where you get this silent button. So when you put this, it's off, and when you put to this, it only vibrates, and when you put up, it make the silent button. And here you get Type-C charging port. From here you will charge your phone, and here you get a mic, and here you get SIM ejector tray, and here you get speaker, and here you get on-off button. Here you get notification button, you can say, or you can say vibrating button, because you can use both on these buttons. And slide. And here you get secondary microphone, better known as noise cancelling microphone. And here you get volume rocker up and down. So guys, on this phone you get three camera setup, triple camera setup. So first one is primary cameras, this one is ultra wide camera, and this one is monochrome. So first you get 50 megapixel primary camera, Sony IMX766 with OIS, and Sony camera are best, so I'm happy with it. Camera is also, I will say, good. And for the ultra wide, you get 8 megapixel 119 degree FOV and f2.3 aperture. And for this you get 2 megapixel monochrome f2.4 aperture. For selfie camera, better known as front camera, okay guys, for that we get 32 megapixel, and its aperture is f2.5 aperture. And there are three colors available. One is gray, one is green, and those who like blue, you can get blue. There are three colors available: gray, blue, green. Connectivity also, it's good. I mean, it comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it supports 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and it comes with 11 bands, so it's good, guys. It comes with 11 bands, so it's quite good. I mean, not quite, it's very good on connectivity. And let's talk about dimension of this OnePlus Nord 2 5G. And for the length we get 158.9 mm, and for the width you get 73.2 mm, and for the thickness you get 8.3 mm, and for the weight 189 grams. And for the speaker, guys, we get dual speaker, I mean stereo speaker. Here you have one speaker, and here you have one speaker. I know few of people are thinking this is used as like earphones, but you can use, like, when you are calling, you can use earphone. And plus you are when you are, suppose you are playing a game, you will one is for right side and one is for left side. So when you don't need headphone, you will hear enemy footstep, left side, right side, everything. So guys, let's have a look on this phone. So if you like, then you can buy it, but for me, I like this phone. I mean, especially the camera setup. So guys, here is our look phone, and I have put face lock plus fingerprint. So let's see our security how much fast their face lock and finger sensor is. So let's have a look. So wait, let me hide my face. So guys, you can see it's fast, and I have put, look here, I have put pin so here, and let's have a look about the face lock here. So it's unlocked. Face lock is quite fast. I never saw like this much fast. So face lock is number one, and for finger sensor it's good. I won't say number one. And so it comes with MediaTek 1200 AI 6nm octa-core processor up to 3.0 GHz, and for GPU Mali Z77 MC9, and OS, better known as operating system, it comes with Oxygen 11.3 based on Android 11. So it's good, and for battery and charging is also good. It's massive, because you get on this phone you get 4500 mAh battery, and for on this phone you get 65 watt adapter, fast adapter, and this one also supports 65 watt. And plus many of the phones support like 0 to 50% on 30 minutes, but on this one you get 0 to 100 on 30 minutes, guys. So for charging it's number one, superb. It's massive, and I like this one. Let's talk about display. So we get a big display, 6.43 inch AMOLED flat display, 2400 into 1080 Full HD plus Full HD resolution, and 410 ppi you get on this one, and aspect ratio 20:9, and every phone has now 20:9, and you get 90 Hz refresh rate. On this one you get 90 Hz, but they didn't write the touch sampling rate, so I don't know what it comes with. For this phone you get protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. So on front also you get Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and for back also you get Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So it's good. You get 5, so it's for display, for protection, and for charging and battery it's good, and for display also good. I like it. So guys, let's have a look on our camera. So here we go. Now let's click a photo, ultra wide, using ultra wide lens. Let's click a photo of ultra wide. So here we go. This photo was clicked using ultra wide lens. So here we go. I think it's good. And let's click 1x. So you can see the 1x result. So here I think for the camera also this one is good. And here we go. Let's do 2x. Still there is no blur, and let's put it into 5x, and let's click again. Still look at this, there is no blur. We can see clearly, we can see the colors. And let's put it into 10x, and let's click, yeah, little bit blur. Now it's starting, but still you can use this. Here we go, 10x result. So guys, let's check our video quality. So when you press on the setting icon, you get 4K 30 fps and 1080 60 fps, 30 fps both, and 720 also you get 60 fps 30 fps. But I didn't recommend that you to use 4K because it is 30 fps, so I prefer you using 1080p or 720 using 60 fps. 30 fps means little bit delay or something, when you press on the more, you get time lapse, slow motion, video, dual video, film, panorama, expert, ultra HD. Ultra HD means in other words we say HDR. That's HDR is. And here we go, this is ultra HD, they call it ultra HD. So now let's see our night mode. So here we go. Currently it's like 9 p.m. So here we go. Let us first click on a photo. You will get a good quality first on this. Right now you won't get too much good image, but when you when you see the picture, when you see the result, it gives you wow. You can't compare with Flexi, but still it is wow. For the RAM and ROM, you get 8GB RAM, 120GB ROM, and that will cost you 29999, it means 30k. And for the bigger RAM and bigger ROM, you get 12 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM, and it will cost you 34,999. It means 35k. And for the connectivity, it's good. I mean, you get 11 bands, and for the Wi-Fi you get Wi-Fi 6, and for the Bluetooth 5.2, and it support 2Z, 3Z, 4Z, and 5Z. So for connectivity it's good. For battery and charging it's good. For what was that? Oh, for face lock it's good. For the security and for the protection is good, and others are little weak. That's all we got from this OnePlus Nord2 5Z. So thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for supporting me. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.